Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your email with Amazon, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your email with Amazon, start by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Amazon website. Sign in to your Amazon account using your email and password. Once logged in, look for the notification indicating that your email is unverified. Click on the link provided in the notification. If you do not see the notification, go to your account settings. Select your account from the drop-down menu. From there, find and click on Account Settings. Look for the option that says Email or Mobile Phone Number. Locate the email address you want to verify. Check if it shows as unverified. If it does, click on the Verify Now button next to the email address. You will receive an email from Amazon shortly. Open your email inbox and find the email from Amazon. Be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you do not see it in your primary inbox. Inside the email, look for the verification link. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This will redirect you back to the Amazon website. A message confirming that your email has been verified should appear. If the verification is successful, your email status will change to verified. If you encounter any issues, return to your account settings. You can also request another verification email if needed. Once verified, you can enjoy all the benefits of a secure Amazon account. Always ensure that your email is linked to your account for security purposes. This completes the email verification process with Amazon. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.